Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day, Sagittarius, is inner work. When you work what's on the inside, let go of things that don't serve you. Attitudes, grudge, the lack of gratitude. Gratitude is the attitude that brings blessings to you. Negative energy, resentment, guilt. These things are confusion. These are the things you need to let go because they give you tests on why you need to let it go because it stops you in your progress of your journey. So do the inner work. Do the inner work, you become stronger, wiser. Therefore, with blessings, they come with their own weight also. You can carry bigger blessings that you're actually looking for and maintain them, and they'll be on the way. Just put in the work. God brings my ideal situations for my inner healing. As I become aware of my weaknesses, I turn them into strengths because I'm an all-powerful being. And I direct my thoughts towards the light to see the positive side of every stage of my life. Darkness turns to courage. Thus, I become stronger. Nothing's happening to you. It's happening for you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.